say if what do you want to check, let's say Mike in items, okay, and then say print, then just format this by just writing to say yes, Mike is in the items. So we can just say Mike is in the items. Close that. Okay, so it gives us yes, this is Mike is in the items. But again, when you look at this, you can also think of just think of saying if Mike in items, so if I'm there, then just print my name, then otherwise not found. Okay, so now this one prints my name because that item is in the tuple. But again, let's say now you want to make it false. So what we can do is let's use something that doesn't exist. Okay, so now we want to say if we want to say this tuple, so check if Mark in this tuple, print if you are there, print the name, else if you are not there, not found. Okay, so you can see that it goes. What happens is that the if statement is actually logically checking if Mike as an item exists in this tuple. So you can see that there is only apple, banana, guava. So Mike doesn't exist. So the first part fails, so it is skipped, and then comes the else part. The else part checks and it finds that indeed I'm not in this tuple, so then this print down below will be actually printed onto the screen and you have not found. So this is how this works. Okay, so now how do we update information? For example, if I want to add information in this tuple, then using what we looked at in the list, say by index, let's say I want to change from apple, which is on position number 1, so you have to index 0. So I want just to put tomatoes. Okay, but this is more like reassigning the actual item in this tuple through the indexing method. But this one will give you an error because it doesn't support item assignment. So what you do, you're going to say this, so we're going to say this tuple. So what we're going to do is we are going to convert this tuple. I'm going to say my list equals to list, and then convert this to list. Okay, so now we have converted the tuple above to a list. So you can see now that the bracket changes. Now because we have done that, what is going to happen is that we can now actually add item assignment. So my list, then I can index 0 by changing item on number 1 from apple to I said tomatoes. Okay, so this implies that I've actually updated my this. Okay, so I can also actually dot append. Okay, I can add more information. Dot append by adding